Once again friends, welcome back. This is mathematics lecture. Today's video lecture friends, we will revise triangles, and there are some important points related to triangles which are very interesting. This is class 6 chapter 16, and the chapter name is triangles. So let's get started friends. First we will discuss the very simple questions. One, I'm going to raise the question friends, what do you mean by triangle friends? What do you mean by triangle? Now friends, if you look at the triangle, when you're talking about the what's the triangle friends, then in your minds there is a creation of the figure like the triangle shape. Triangular shape means a triangle is a closed figure bonded by three line segment friends. Triangle is closed figure bonded by three line segment. Have a look friends, there's a triangle ABC. Or the triangle, look at the friends, triangle. Closed figure friends, closed figure means when you're talking about the initial point of this line segment is coincide with the final of this line, then that means friends, when we make the running of the pens from initial and the final both coincide at the same point, that is called the closed figure. And the closed figure means a closed figure bonded by three line segment, one line segment, two line segment, three line segment. That means we can say this figure is known as the triangle. This is the definition of triangle. Triangle has friends three sides, 1 2 3, three angles, because three vertices, where there is vertex there is an angle. Now see friends, come the next point. The next point is congruent triangles, which is very important, and we will also, you will have to study in the further classes like class 8 9 10. Okay friends, so it's very important. And now see friends, first, what about the congruent triangles? Two triangles are said to be congruent. First friends, their corresponding angles are equal. Now friends, have a look. Angle A is correspond to angle D, angle B is correspond to angle A E, and angle C is correspond to angle F. We can say friends, both the triangles are congruent. And the second is friends, and their corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding side means friends, AB correspond to this DE, and BC correspond to this EF, and AC correspond to friends this DF. So we can say friends, both the triangles are congruent. Congruent friends, when if we lift this triangle friends and set this triangle on this triangle, then this triangle, the lower triangle, will completely covered by this upper triangle. And if we look at the from downwards, from lower to upper and from upper to lower, so one triangle is one is, that means we can say, if you are going to look at in front of the which triangle, that means the triangles which is in front of you is only visible, and the another triangle which is just below this triangle is invisible. That means friends, one can completely cover the other, so this can also completely cover this other. If friends, अगर इस ट्रायंगल को अगर इसको उठा के इस पे अगर रखा जाए फ्रेंड्स, तो ये नीचे वाली ट्रायंगल्स बिल्कुल दिखेगा नहीं. फिर इस ट्रायंगल को अगर इसके ऊपर रखा जाए फ्रेंड्स, तो ये नीचे वाली ट्रायंगल नहीं दिखेगा. वी कैन से फ्रेंड्स, बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स आर कंग्रुएंट. मींस फ्रेंड्स, जिसकी कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल हो, ओके, जिसकी कोरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स इक्वल हो, तो ऐसे ट्रायंगल क्या होते हैं, क्रॉस कंग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स होते हैं फ्रेंड्स. कंग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल, वन थिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेंड्स, द एरिया ऑफ कंग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स आर इक्वल. इसकी जो एरिया होगी फ्रेंड्स, वो इसके एरिया के इक्वल होगी. ओके, और ये दोनों ट्रायंगल आपस में एक दूसरे को कवर करेगा फ्रेंड्स, अच्छी तरीके से क्लोज कर लेगा, बंद हो जाएगा, अच्छी तरह से कवर करेगा. ये इसे आसानी से ढक सकता है और ये से भी ढक सकता है. ओके, कंप्लीटली कवर करेगा. दिस आर अबाउट द कंग्रुएंट ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स फ्रेंड्स. वी कैन राइट फ्रेंड्स, एंगल ए, कंग्रुएंट का ये सिंबल है फ्रेंड्स, एंगल डी, एंड कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल बी कंग्रुएंट टू एंगल. कंग्रुएंट भी कह सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स, और इक्वल का साइन भी लगा सकते हैं. कंग्रुएंट मतलब इक्वल, यहाँ पे इक्वल का साइन भी लगा सकते हैं. डेट मीन्स एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी, कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू फ्रेंड्स एंगल ई, एंड एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू फ्रेंड्स एंगल एफ. ओके, इस तरह से फ्रेंड्स, देन वी कैन से द ट्रायंगल ए बी सी कंग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल डी ई एफ. ओके, now the next point friends, and you know friends, the types of the triangles on the basis of their measurement of the sides and their measurement of the angles. So there are three types of triangles on each basis friends. You know very well So we're not going to discuss the things which are very simple and you know very well. So we're going to discuss, friends, next the important angle sum property. So angle sum property means, what do you mean angle sum property mean, friends? In triangle, in any triangle, friends, in triangle like suppose A B C, yeah, in any triangle, in any triangle, okay, sum of three angles, sum of three angles, friends, is 180 degree. So that is called angle sum property. Suppose, friends, this is angle, suppose this is A B C, then there's sum, the angle sum, friend, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So this is called angle sum property, angle and sum property. Okay, we can say, friends, the sum of three angles is two right angle, or we can say the sum of three angle is a straight angle, because 180 degree is called the straight angle. Okay, with the help of this property we can solve, and we had already solved many questions of exercise 16a and 16b. Okay, friends. So, friends, you please go through every pages of exercise 16a and chapter 60 and exercise 60a, exercise 60b. If you have any doubt, confusion, we can contact me, ask me. Okay, friends. So have a nice day, friends.